Chapter 4: E-commerce and Social Media. Objectives. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to define the term e-commerce, distinguish between various categories of e-commerce, list the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce, shop from an e-commerce website, define the term social media, list the advantages and ill effects of social media. Today we are more of a netizen living in digital information age where we are connected to the internet through various devices. The purpose is to make our life more convenient. Information access, learning, entertainment, tasks, and online purchases, all this we do at home and while on the move quickly and easily today, thanks to better connectivity, network speed, smart devices, and intelligent applications. E-commerce is one such huge online domain we are closely related to. E-commerce. E-commerce, also called electronic commerce, refers to the process of selling and purchasing goods and services over an e-commerce website using the internet. E-commerce allows us from the comfort of our homes or even on the move buy anything online. For example, if we have to go on a tour, we can book tickets directly online from anywhere and anytime over internet using our smart devices. The history and evolution of e-commerce. Michael Aldrich, an English entrepreneur, invented online shopping in 1979, and e-commerce was a result of his work. This was accomplished by using a telephone line connected to a transaction processing computer and a customized television. When Tim Berners-Lee launched the World Wide Web in 1992, the world witnessed the birth of modern e-commerce system. By 1994, companies such as Pizza Hut were accepting pizza orders via their website. PayPal revolutionized e-commerce by providing a secure way for websites to accept payments in 1998. Amazon changed e-commerce forever in 2005 by introducing flat fee, 2-day shipping through Prime, and Facebook entered the e-commerce ring with sponsored stories in 2011. And e-commerce sales touched $3.5 trillion in 2019. Then many startups and business followed late to create a huge e-commerce cyber world on internet as we see today. Categories of e-commerce. E-commerce is divided into several categories, which are as follows. 1. Business to consumer, B2C. It includes businesses selling products and services directly to consumers with no middle person through their online platforms. For example, Amazon, Walmart, and other companies where individual customers are the end users of a product or service. 2. Business to business, B2B. A type of electronic commerce between businesses such as wholesalers and online retailers. For example, IndiaMart, General Electronics, Trade India, Walmart, Ferguson, Alibaba, etc. 3. Consumer to business, C2B. Here, the end consumers create products or services which are directly consumed by businesses to create more value and more improvements. It is opposite to the popular concept of business to consumer. For example, Google AdSense, Commission Junction, and Amazon. 4. Consumer to consumer. In this, one consumer sells goods or services to another consumer, typically in an online environment. 2 implementations of C2C e-commerce are auctions and classified advertisements. For example, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist. Note: if we are using mobile phones and tablets for e-commerce instead of computers, it is called mobile commerce, m-commerce. It involves using wireless handheld devices like mobile phones and tablets to conduct commercial transactions online, including the purchase and sale of products, online banking, and paying bills. The advantages of e-commerce. The advantages of e-commerce are classified into 2 categories. Advantages to organizations. Electronic commerce expands the marketplace to national global markets easily. E-commerce minimizes the costs of creating, processing, distributing, storing and retrieving paper-based information. Ability for creating highly specialized businesses. E-commerce lowers telecommunication costs. Advantages to consumers.
E-commerce enables customers to do shopping at any time, anywhere.
E-commerce provides customers with more choices. E-commerce provides quick delivery of services and products. Consumers can receive relevant and detailed information instantly. E-commerce allows customers to interact with other customers in electronic communities. E-commerce provides good competition by which we get substantial discounts. Disadvantages of e-commerce. There are two types of e-commerce disadvantages. Technical disadvantages of e-commerce. Some security vulnerabilities, such as customers' data storage, are high risky. A lack of system security might lead to cyber fraud. Slow internet speed and lack of bandwidth may affect the services. Some issues arise while integrating the internet and e-commerce application with some existing applications. Vendors may need high-performance computers and a high-speed internet connection to connect with e-commerce companies. Non-technical disadvantages of e-commerce. Customers cannot try products before they buy them. The shipping time can be longer. The product may be different, damaged or short delivered less than the quantity order. Showing hidden or delivery charges at the time of payment. Some e-commerce websites have limited customer support. For example, some websites may have complaint hours between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. only.